And we're taking the back door.
Yeah. We're doing Canada in the back door. Oh, my cell phone just changed service.
We're doing Canadian.
Oh, mine did too.
Mine says a message.
Mine says
Message
Rogers.
received.
Really?
Unlocked.
You got a message? Mine says
And mine says 1414. Read. Welcome,
Rogers. No.
Fido Microcell welcomes you to Canada. Some useful.
So when we go through the border, we don't have to stop. You say, "Oh, my phone welcomes me."
For customer and 411 for Canadian directory assistance. Enjoy your stay. Thank you, Canada.
Okay.
Thank you.
I went from T-Mobile cell phone service to Rogers cell phone service.
Ooh, Rogers. He probably operates out of his house.
Rogers cell phone. Rogers discount cell phone service. I can't. Yeah, I didn't get a message though. No, we'll wait until we get one. We've got the same service though, T-Mobile.
Yeah. I don't get it. But it is nice of them. They're so polite in Canada.
Hey, you know how you get 100 Canadians out of the pool?
Oh.
Excuse me, could you help us get out of the pool?